Hello, everyone. How are you all doing today? Today, I'm so excited about this video. It is something I saw on my girlfriend Scene's video. I hadn't seen her in a while. And then one of her videos popped up and I was like, ooh, what is this? And what I'm talking about is 2025 bingo. She said it's something that's been on the TikTok. Y'all know I don't have TikTok, or if you're new here, I don't have TikTok. So I didn't know anything about it. And I saw that Olivia B. Shepherd had put out like a bingo board, but I just thought it was a cute idea. I didn't know it was like a trend until my girlfriend Scene, who will be linked down below. Check her out. I think she's back in action. Showed me. And I was like, what? I need one of these. Okay, rude me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free $99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Y'all, today was the last day of close. I just got out of work. It's 7 o'clock, fam. And so this video will not be edited. So pray for us. And it will be short and to the point. Now, let's get back to this 2025 bingo. I think this is such a fantastic idea because it's going to help us with our goals. I think a lot of us put a lot of effort into thinking about our big goals that we have for 2025 and any other year and how we're going to get there and what we're going to do, myself included. But I think it is nice. Remember I was saying I had another little list off to the side that I was like, oh, there's just things I want to get done, but it's not going to go under a specific goal. Well, this is the perfect place for it. 2025 bingo is like creating yourself a bingo card with all the little miniature goals that you want to get done throughout the year that you may not necessarily have put in a big goal. Love that for us. Okay. And so it's like, if you're like me, I prefer a quick win. I like a quick win. Like trying to lose weight is great, but it could take all year, like it could take a while. It could take me probably 2 to 3 years. However, like knowing that I can look back at this cute little bingo board and see that I've done other things throughout my life. And for us budgeters throughout the year, and for us budgeters, it's very important to me because I remember when I first started budgeting, I got so gung-ho about budgeting. I almost like lost myself in the process and didn't do anything for me, whether it was small or large. So this is why I'm putting it out here to my budgeting community. I think it will be very fun for us to do. Definitely, if you do this, hashtag Grateful Bingo Board or Grateful Gang or the normal whatever. Tag me in it because I want to see your bingo boards. Let's get into the video now. I've talked enough. So I'm going to make myself small. The first thing you want to do is make a list. So I have already made my list. And baby, there was more than 25 things on my list. I made one list with 25 things and one list with 37 things. But I'm going to write just a note app. This is in Google. This is on Google. This is Google Documents. So I'm just going to write. So some of the things on my list are candle making. Why am I big again? And why can't I type? Candle making, a picnic, a staycation, getting dermaplaning to my face. I want to do that. Y'all don't know if that's how you spell it. Try a new Zumba class. I love my Zumba class, but I just want to try a different one. I want to host a cousin night at my house. I want to visit a coffee shop, be an influencer girly, and just pull out my little iPad and work. I want to cook a new recipe. I want to order a meal plan kit. Okay, guys. So those are some of the things. Literally, I have a whole list. I don't want to keep going and waste your time. So let's just make it an even list and say the last thing is I need to buy a table base. So I need to buy a table base for my dining room table. And that is something that I want to count. Now, another reason I love this is because I looked at all those savings challenges in my savings challenge book that I shared with you guys on another video. Definitely check that out if you're interested. They're all digital freebies for the most part. And I was like, what am I going to do all these challenges? They're so cute, but this is a perfect way. I can now look at all my challenges and look at the things on my bingo board and be able to plan out how much money I'm saving towards each thing. And as I go along, once I save like this much money, $60, $70, then I can go ahead and buy myself a meal kit. And the reason I have two lists is because one list has things that cost money and one list has things that are free. Actually, it's a combination. The things in green are free. The things in yellow will cost me money. So some of the things that were free were like reading a fiction book. I can get that off of my Hoopla library app, reading 2 nonfiction books, reading the Bible, all are free, writing a letter to a friend, playing video games. I actually already have a Wii at my house, updating my dating profile, taking a walk in a park, making a gratitude template, making a digital stickers for the first time, a 10-minute meditation, 10-minute stretches, just giving y'all some ideas. I'm just saying. And those are all free. So I'm going to actually end up making 2 bingo boards, one with things that cost money and one with things that are free, so that I can reference both. That depending on how I'm feeling, then that's just what I'm going to do, whether or how my budget is at the time. So now that we've made our list, the next step is to create our bingo board. So I'm going to go into my Canva, and yes, I only have the free version, so you can do this too. All right, so I'm in Canva in my free version. As y'all can see, this is where I make all my thumbnails at and all that. And so I'm going to start off by hitting create a new design. And so after I hit create a new design, I'm going to do like a flyer portrait, 8.5 by 11 size. That's the size I want to work with. And that pulls that up automatically. And so now I'm going to make my face small again. Okay. And so I'm just going to, why is it so hard to move my face? And then I'm going to like make the screen a little larger so I can see all the surface area I'm working with. And the first thing you want to do is create a table. A table is, you would go under elements, and under elements, you search table. Oh, I just scrolled past it. There's table. You go to table and you can see all of the ones. They're all free. I'm going to go with the most basic looking table, which has black lines. And all you have to do is you'll scroll to you see where you see the plus at the corner, and you just add another one. So that's going to add 1, 2, 3, 4. I want another one. I want 5. And then at the bottom is it this one, this way? Wait a minute. Hey. I think this bottom one does. There's another plus sign, but I want it to be at the bottom. Okay, so there's a plus sign. There it is. There's a plus sign at the bottom. If you click that, you'll get more this way. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Somewhere around there, I messed this up. But yeah, there's 5 and 5. And that's what we want, which is 25, because you do a 25 goal. And so then you stretch it out to fit your, well, try not to move the lines like I'm doing. There's always undo. Okay, you just stretch it out of the corners to fill the page as much as you want. And so for me, I'm just going to fill it this much with my things. And then, of course, I would go back. I just don't want this to be super long. I'm going to go back and make them sort of even, or try my best. You can definitely use the measurements and stuff to get that perfect. But let's just leave it right here for now. We have our 25 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have too many boxes. So I'm going to, can I delete one? Is a good question. Hold on. Okay, so if you select your column here, it says delete column. And so, yes, you can delete one out. I was wondering why it looked all squishy. But yeah, so let's say we're going to just stop here. And this is our 5 by 5, even though to me this looks a little crooked. But there's our table. That's all you have to do. And you can also leave the middle as a free space if you want. But girl, I had a lot on my list, so I used all the spaces. And also definitely let me know down below, what are some of the things you have on your list? Oh my God. Love that. I would love to know. I wonder if there's a lot of the things that you have on your list that would be on my list. And then also let me know if you're going to do this. Okay. So then for me, what I'm going to do now is go back to elements as we're already in. And then I'm going to just type in 2025 because I would like a sign or some bubble letters or I don't want all these things. 2025 sign. Am I in elements? I feel like I'm not. That's still under table. I don't want table. Make sure you're under elements, y'all. And then there it is, 2025. I usually go with the things that look like graphics, but you can use photos or whatever. Maybe we'll switch it up this time. We'll go to photos. That one is free because normally if they're not free, they have the little pro sign. We'll go with, oh no, this is not free because I can see the whole Canva situation watermark on there. So let's not do that. I'm going to stick with what I know and stick with the graphics. And I can see that all of these are not free. And so let's say I go with this 2025 here. This is free. And then I would just then go to text and add a text box. And I would type in bingo in caps probably. And then I would highlight and I would change the font and the size. Let's say that one. Oh, that's not it. Let's go with Montserrat and then Montserrat and then make it bold. And we're going to change it to a red and we're going to make it bigger. Okay, and so I think that'll be fine. And then we'll move bingo up here. And you can adjust as you want. But of course, decorate as you please. This is just your world. Do what you want to do. That's just an idea of how to create your own bingo board. Now, I've already created my bingo board, y'all. And if you want, I will leave you the template of my bingo board. Here is my bingo board here. Let me go back home. This is the template I made that I'll leave down in the bottom for you guys. It's more of a neutral because, of course, these squares are a lot nicer and leveled because I took my time for that. And then here is the 2025 I chose and the bingo in black. So if you want this bingo board to like print out, now keep in mind though, this bingo board is on, I think it's on this. So this is an 8 by 11 sheet of paper. Let me make myself bigger. This is an 8 by 11 sheet of paper. This bingo board prints this way. So it's probably closer to a A5 size, to be honest. But you can always go in there and change it and copy and paste it. Yeah, it's definitely more of an A5 size. I didn't do that on purpose, but because I thought I chose 8 by 11 when I did this. But you can always just copy it off and make it bigger. But if you're interested, I will leave this one down below. But you see how quick and easy that was to make your own, and it's the free version. So now that is what my board looks like. And of course, I started it. So I went and brought everything over. And I didn't want to have to like take the camera down and all that. But I did go over and put everything in my iPad. Of course I did. And so I put wording underneath each one that I was doing. And I've only finished one board so far. But I definitely, and here's my bingo board so far. I'm still missing a couple pictures. You could just write words in, but I'm a visual learner. You could definitely just write words in, but I'm definitely a visual learner, y'all. So for me, I wanted to be able to see pictures. They keep me motivated. And the ones I chose for this free first board were the things that cost money. So I have candle making, dermaplaning, try Zumba class, try workout, buy a table, buy a lounge set, save for my passport, host a cousin night, lose 10 pounds, visit a coffee shop, take 3 online courses, get a facial, give some money or give time, movie night, try new hobbies, prayer board, buy yourself flowers, pay for someone else's food, cook a new recipe, declutter my master closet, get a massage, order a meal kit, buy a new plant, go thrifting, and a solo date. So this is not the best way to show you. So let me show you what my current board looks like. And this is what my current board, can we not have my face right there? This is what my current board looks like. Let me make it slightly bigger. Whoa, not that much bigger. Here is my bingo board, and I put a little sticker in here. I'm capable, worthy, and enough. You are a limited edition. I just added a couple stickers, and these are stickers I already had in my GoodNotes that I've downloaded over time since I've gotten my iPad. And like I said, you could just write the words bigger. Like say you didn't have pictures, you could just go back over here into maybe not there. You can go back over here into elements and you can add text, not elements. You can go to text and add a text box and you can insert a text. Well, can I insert a text box right here? Because I just, if you did it on Canva, I just copied a picture over here. So maybe I can't insert a text. Oh, yes, I did. It's right here. So there's my text box. And then if I didn't have it, host a cousin night. Rude. I just made it all small again. Why? Host a cousin night, and then you could choose a better font or whatever, or make it bigger, or whatever you want it to do. Make it bold, make it just make it work, because I think that it would look better, probably bigger, so it took up the whole square. But yeah, you could totally do that instead with just the wording and not the pictures. Or if you don't have stickers or Canva, you can absolutely do pictures that you cut out from a magazine. You could do pictures you find on Pinterest, honey. Save and paste to Pinterest into Canva. You can do that as well. So I just really wanted to share that with you because I only saw her talk about it. And I think the more people talk about it, the more it'll go around. And I think it's such an amazing idea, y'all, to have like your own little bingo board for 2025. Again, I'm making this one, and then I'm making another one that is for free things that I just mentioned, a few of the free things for you, because if you don't have money, these don't have to cost money. And then what I'm going to do for me is a lot of my savings challenges, I'm going to save for a candle making class, a dermaplaning class, to dermaplane my face, to get a facial. I'll go, and of course we're going to check out Groupon first because we need a deal. But anyway, you guys, I don't want to be here for long. I just wanted to share this awesome idea that I didn't know nothing about. Why none of y'all didn't tell me? I know some of y'all got the TikTok. I know some of y'all knew. Y'all got to tell me because I don't have TikTok. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments. Have you done a bingo board? Are you planning on doing one for your 2025 mini goals? Let's call them mini goals. I'd be interested to know, and share a couple that you plan on doing. Also, I did make my really long list. So let me know down in the comments if you want me to share my list with you in the description box so that you can get some ideas of yours for yourself. I can also do that. And remember that the blank template will be available for you as well. If it's your like, girl, I ain't getting on Canva and doing that, just let me print out yours. Have a wonderful, blessed day, you guys. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever. Love you. Mean it. Bye.